This video is about 5G, the fifth generation of cellular networks, and how it works. So what is 5G? That is the core topic of this video. 5G is the fifth generation of cellular wireless technology. Its three main characteristics are fast speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G LTE, low latency with network response in about 1 millisecond, and massive capacity supporting 1 million devices per square kilometer. Looking back, each generation of cellular networks unlocked something new. From 1G's analog voice in the 1980s to 4G's HD video and apps in the 2010s, a new generation has emerged every 10 years. 5G is built differently to achieve its breakthroughs. The three pillars of 5G are defined by its target performance metrics. Enhanced mobile broadband, or mmWave, aims for 10 gigabits per second peak speed. Ultra-reliable low latency, or URLLC, targets 1 millisecond latency. Massive machine-type communications, or MMTC, targets 1 million devices per square kilometer connection density. So how does 5G work? It uses radio waves, much like 4G, but with smarter technology. The signal frequency ranges from 600 MHz to 39 GHz and is bidirectional, keeping your phone connected. The path of your data involves several steps, from your phone to the G-Node B cell tower, then to the 5G core network for packet routing, and finally to the internet. This whole process occurs in milliseconds. 5G uses three frequency bands, each involving a trade-off between range and speed. Low band offers wide coverage and slower speed. Mid-band is the sweet spot with a good balance. And high band, or mmWave, is blazing fast but has a very short range. Low band reaches further, while mmWave, or high band, is up to 100 times faster but doesn't travel as far. A key drawback of mmWave is that its signal can be easily blocked by walls, trees, and even rain. To extend mmWave coverage, 5G utilizes small cells with many small antennas instead of just a few big towers. These small cells, often mounted on streetlights, buildings, and walls, help fill the gaps in the network coverage. Beamforming is a key technology where 5G aims signals directly at individual users instead of broadcasting in all directions. The result is a stronger signal, less interference, and more users served simultaneously. Massive MIMO utilizes 64 or more tiny antennas working as one. More antennas mean more simultaneous data streams, and each stream is beamformed. This allows the same spectrum to be reused in space, achieving a capacity roughly 10 times that of 4G LTE. Think of it like 64 spotlights tracking different people in a crowd. Network slicing allows one physical 5G network to be divided into multiple virtual networks, each tuned for different requirements. For example, mobile broadband requires high speed, self-driving cars need ultra-low latency, and IoT sensors focus on massive connections. Each slice gets its own parameters for speed, latency, and bandwidth. Ultra-low latency measures how fast the network responds. 4G LTE has a latency of about 50 milliseconds, which can cause noticeable delays in real-time applications. 5G achieves a 1 millisecond latency, making the response feel instant, like wired internet, and faster than a human reflex. The difference in latency can be critical. A car traveling at 100 kilometers per hour covers 1.4 meters before its brakes react on a 4G network. In contrast, on a 5G network, it covers only 3 centimeters, a significant safety improvement, showing why latency matters. Autonomous vehicles utilize real-time V2X communication via 5G, where cars exchange data in milliseconds with each other and the network. This allows for instant alerts, such as brake or hazard ahead, enhancing safety and coordination. Massive IoT supports 1 million connected devices per square kilometer, which is 10 times more than 4G. This enables new applications in smart cities, agriculture, industrial sensors, and health monitors. Comparing 4G LTE to 5G shows stark differences. 5G offers 10 times the peak speed, 5 to 50 times better latency, 10 times more devices per square kilometer, uses a broader spectrum, and is 10 times more energy efficient. 5G matters because it is faster, allowing movie downloads in seconds. It is more responsive, making cloud gaming and remote surgery practical. It is scalable, connecting billions of IoT sensors, and efficient, using less power per bit. Thank you for watching this video. Now you know how 5G works. If you enjoyed the content, please like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to the channel for more content.